When do we use the simple present tense? I'm going to use three sentence forms to explain this. Form 1, statements. Form 2, interrogatives. And form 3, negatives. Number 1, we use the simple present to show repeated actions. The action can be a habit, a hobby, a daily event, or something that often happens. To show a repeated action with a statement, we can say, I play tennis. You play tennis. She plays tennis. We play tennis. To show a repeated action with a negative form, you can say, I don't play tennis. You don't play tennis. He doesn't play tennis. They don't play tennis. To show a repeated action with interrogative form, we can say, do I play tennis? Do you play tennis? Does she play tennis? Do they play tennis? Number 2, we use the simple present to show facts and make generalizations about people or things. The speaker believes a fact was true before, is true now, and will be true in the future. To show facts with a statement, we can say, cats like milk. California is in America. Windows are made of glass. To show facts with a negative form, we can say, birds don't like milk. California isn't in the United Kingdom. Windows aren't made of wood. To know facts with interrogative form, we can say, do pigs like milk? Is California in America? Are windows made of glass? We use this simple present to talk about scheduled events in the near future. Examples, the train leaves tonight at 6 p.m. When do we board the plane? The party starts at 8 o'clock. When does class begin tomorrow? We also use a simple present to express the idea that an action is happening or is not happening now. Examples, I am here now. She isn't here now. He needs help right now. He doesn't need help now. Like, share, comment, and follow for more.